Yes, even the $497 coveted SaaS plan. We got free trials for everything, plus a bunch of bonuses. Let's jump right in and see how to get started. All right, the first link will take you to this page where when you fill out your basic info here under account creation, it'll take you over to payment info, and then you've got 30-day free trials for $297 and 30-day free trials for $97. This also includes the 30-day free trial live bootcamp. So in 48 minutes, you will have a high-level coach help you to set everything up, breakout rooms, and you'll leave the bootcamp with a live business. All the details down here that come along with it. Here are the different areas that you will cover. 60 minutes max, breakout rooms, and then a bunch of bonuses here, SaaSpreneur, snapshots, funnels, all the good stuff. You can check it out. Testimonials, yada, yada, and your frequently asked questions. So this is the $297 and $97 plan. Now for SaaS, a little bit different package. Everybody will get both links. Here you'll get the SaaS website, including snapshots, prospecting, sales tools, step-by-step training, right? So this covers everything for SaaS mode. You will also get a link for 5 days of live training for the review challenge. Now, this product is for people marketing to local small businesses for reputation management for the most part. Even if you are not planning on offering this service initially, say you're going to do SaaS, you should still go through this live training. If you haven't used the platform, it's free. It's 5 days. And it's live, and you're going to go through a lot of the stuff that you're going to need to know how to set up anyway. And you're going to have a lot of questions, and you're going to want help. You really, really want to go through this training. There's also links for daily setup Q&A. So you can grab a spot. If you have setup questions outside the scope of the 5-day challenge, you can use this link. There's another link for daily Q&A if you want to schedule time to ask other things, maybe not related to account setup. Next page. High-level demo. This is a webinar. You can go through here at any time and watch where they go through all the stuff. And then this is another link for direct account manager team where you can book a time to better understand the different services and products. You can use this link, join a Zoom call or schedule a call. And lastly here, we have the upcoming live events. These are all the things on HighLevel's calendar. So a ton of options here for support, but the main bread and butter is going to be this along with using these links, right? There's also the support portal, the Facebook page, and the YouTube channel, which I would highly suggest you join. All right. So how do we get started? First, like and subscribe. Then click the link in the description, drop your email, and everything will get sent over to you. All the links, descriptions, and you can go from there. Later.